Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable dark mode in LinkedIn. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open LinkedIn app. Then tap on Tour Profile Picture. At the bottom of the page, you will see Settings. Tap on it. Now go to Account Preferences. And here under Display, we'll see Dark Mode. Tap on it. From here, you can easily enable dark mode on your LinkedIn. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.